here I am in my sunny Salford studio this morning, and I just wanted to show you what's arrived in the post. It's this gorgeous fabric, which is all the templates for my new embroidery kit. How flash is that? Well, hey! So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut them all up into squares, and each one is going to go, oh, by the way, that's organic cotton half panama, gorgeous fabric, and each one is going to go inside this lovely box, which I'm actually quite proud of because it took me ages to sort of design and get all the nice elements, and I kept all the elements really nice because it's nice to have nice things, isn't it? I thought it'd make a lovely gift for the season that's coming up. We've got DMC threads, we've got John James needle, and we've got an Elbesee 6-inch hoop, and we've also got this book that I've written, which is basically step-by-step guide. So it's about starting your project, how to work through your project, step by step, even how to finish your project. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut all these pieces up, get them all in the kits, pop them on the website later, so hopefully you'll like them. Have a look. If you've got any questions, let me know, drop me a line. See you later.